we're Group 24, and here's our group member, Zijing, Junhua, and Jinyao Zhao. And our article is called How to Leverage ITIL 2011 and Avoid 3 Common Cost Traps. So here is the content of our presentation. The first part is about the source identification. The second part is the relevance to OZ Bank. The third part is the relationship between CSI and SKMS. And the last part is beneficial outcomes from the relationship. So let's move on. Here is the first page, source identification. So this article was written by the Tripathi from India, and it published in 14 December in 2011. And the published source is the Gartner Group. So here is the APA6 format reference and the picture of the author. So let's move on to the next part, is the relevance to the OZ Bank. And the most important question that OZ Bank is facing is the processes for planning, designing, transitioning, integrating, operating, and improving IT service provisions are neither efficient or effective. In order to solve this kind of phenomenon, using ITIL can provide knowledge help and the cost control. And in the article, it provides just guidance to help the OZ Bank to identify the potential cost traps and avoid them. So let's move on to the next part.
So the relationship between the SKMS and the continuous improvement. Let's first say the SKMS, which is the Service Knowledge Management System, is under the service transition part of the ITIL. And the continuous improvement can be divided into 4 parts, which are the plan, do, check, and act. According to the article, the continuous improvement is a long term from the beginning to the end and leave footprints in all stages of the process. So if we can gain the information, data, and knowledge from the SKMS and analyze them and get the historical data and forecasting the future trends for the organization, this will be a great help for improving the service. And let's move on to the next point.
So as for the beneficial outcomes from the relationship part, the continuous process improvement is a part of ITIL life cycle. And for the Service Knowledge Management System, the SKMS, is a series of databases and tools for storing and managing data, knowledge, and information for managing the life cycle of its service. The SKMS can support for all processes of IT service management life cycle, and the continuous improvement is a part of the life cycle. As for example, for an I&O organization use SKMS in the ITIL life cycle for providing the data, knowledge, and information of IT service. It will help IT organization leaders to seek IT service improvement, priorities, and opportunities. There are the discussion questions. First is that SKMS can help on other processes in ITIL life cycle, except the continuous process improvement. The second one is, in your opinion, what will you do for adopting ITIL well? Thanks.